Planetside.
Finally, the game that Rel always wanted to develop. Subnautica.
Now you
God,
can launch people.
Can I go up with
I
this?
wish you could control what you launch, because then I would just load the launch friendlies right out of that fucker.
Are you kidding me? I'd never get in a fucking boat with you.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh wow! Wait,
No one would ever want to get in a boat with me, that's for fucking sure.
I'd be manning the turret, and then all of a sudden I'm flying 700 miles an hour towards a mag rider. Perfect.
Hello.
Get him, Shreyas. I am a fucking sniper. What do you want me to do? Hack him out of it?
I wish this thing had rumble seats though.
Rumble seats are useless now, don't you know?
Still would be funny.
Fuck that shit.
Also, the boat launch gives you what is it? It gives you safe fall, so you can't kill yourself with it.
Oh boy, safe fall.
See, can I where you're at?
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Not people like me who are fucking crack shots with lightnings. Who do a fucking line of rippers before sniping 17 fucking infantry out of the sky.
It's gonna be really funny watching people just pop in out of fucking absolute nowhere.
Dude, I can't wait for that to be like everybody's #1 complaint with those things. It's just people launching them, but their ping is so bad they don't show up until they're already dropped 2 bricks of C4 on your fucking tank.
Yeah, that's actually a good point.
Wait, just watch it, Blaster. Just watch. That's going to be your biggest gripe. I guarantee it. Anytime you play Osher, laggy boat launch people. That's going to be like the most hated feature that you've ever come across. I know it.
Oh yeah, we should see what happens if I launch an aircraft. I forgot to do that.
I flipped it! I flipped it!
Did you flip a boat?
Yo,
And now Blaster is underwater with the boat.
Is that even possible?
It is when Blaster's
It
fucking
is.
driving it.
Blaster is underwater now.
Why is it just Blaster?
God damn it.
Because Blaster finds a way to flip over every vehicle.
No, I'm just gonna find out how to place it in a building or some shit.
Well, the thing is, it can't come on land very well.
Had enough of the cherry, it's time for the peach.
Oh yeah. Water? Yeah! Oh, it doesn't. Another floor.
Dude, look at the guy next to you! He's fucking bouncing vertical.
Bro, like, I'm on the ground. My tip has hit the ground. Oh yeah, we get in some of these tunnels though. Fuck this game. Right up. No.
Oh boy. Yeah, I never really thought about that.
Oh yeah, boat stuck underwater.
Good.
Try on.
How?
Let me see him launching you out of
Just raise
launching
the
out of
anchor. I don't. How do you?
Well, okay, so he got himself underwater, and then what he did is he did the genius idea of finding something to get himself stuck on.
Now, get in my thing and see if you can launch yourself.
That's what I was gonna do.
Better yet, get in there and see if you could fire the Top Gun.
Yeah,
You know
too.
what? That's 2 things I want to test. Okay, you can't fire the top gun. That's good. Okay, how am I gonna... Okay, well, it's saying I could shoot out of the water. Well, I didn't go very far, but...
That's so good.
So it seems if you get stuck underwater, the launch physics from the boat collide with the water physics, and they just cancel each other out.
It could also be because the launch thing is kind of stuck in a point where I would try to launch out and, like,
Back up a little bit.
hit it. Oh yeah,
Doesn't matter if
no,
he's-
it ignores the water physics. I just hit the top of something. I'm pretty sure you go further.
Oh yes.
I'm pretty sure you might actually go further if you launch from underwater.
You know, I'm pretty sure, Bandit, that if the character Scooter became from fucking Borderlands became a game, it would be Planetside.
I just saw Blaster kill himself somehow.
It didn't like that. It didn't like that.
Trying to keep it underwater.
I got full.
Blaster's trying to fucking. He's trying to refilm fucking Red October in Shadowplay.
Fuck, it's going up. No.
It's just Red October standing by.
I gotta redo it. It's going up.
Oh yeah.
It does not like being underwater.
It's not a good.
Oh. I want to repair that. Doesn't like anything. It is a full-on disagree with anything that exists.
Submarine. I mean, that's submarine.
They should just give this thing a submarine functionality, like an ability. Just allow it to go
Dude,
underwater.
You're gonna be doing this so fucking quick. I mean, it's not hard to figure out. Fucking if I figure it out, fuck.
Fucking, why is this guy flailing?
Because
Hey!
you're on Osher, on the test server, where everybody's not trying to kill him.
Oh, he's flailing underwater. I think that's what he's testing. Wow, you can actually fire the flail gun underwater
So
now.
if you just go into the side, you instantly can dive.
I mean, I guess you could flail underwater.
It probably
Well,
is.
what would be the point of that? You can't build anything underwater.
But now they have.
Oh,
Oh, do
What?
they now?
I got stuck.
Oh, do they put a point underneath?
Yeah, they added a bunch of C posts.
Yeah, so there's like C posts in between every single like the Trident's got the C posts all around it. The warp gate has C posts all around it.
Note to self: the very tip of it does not interact well with anything.
I like how they rotated the flotilla spawn points, but not the actual flotillas themselves.
Yeah, they don't need to move.
Yeah,
I mean,
this is a guy that said he was flailing underwater because, like, imagine this: people are fighting underwater, they can't move around as much, and they get fucking flailed.
yeah, this is fucking AIDS.
Yeah.
Imagine walking at literally 1/4 of the speed.
There is a new tactical equipment though.
Cool. So I'm supposed to give up all of my tactical equipment just so I can fucking swim underwater?
Well, I mean, what other tactical equipment are you gonna use
You gotta
underwater?
equip flippers.
Any other tactical equipment?
You're gonna try to use cordium bombs underwater?
No, but I'm definitely going to use them on the majority of the other fucking bases. Can you imagine spawning to take one of the land bases and then, oh, I got my swim gear on still? OSHA released and there was a spawn room where the pain field couldn't designate between friend and foe.
God, I love these devs, man.
So you would just be camped by the attacking force and then still die.
Are you Ralph? What are you doing?
Ralph,
What's the fucking
Ralph.
point of like a 2-inch pad for like a cloak? And that's it. Even that, he's trying to flash some of that. You can fucking see.
Not even that, dude. You don't think a mosquito is gonna walk past that and just that whole circle immediately?
No, it's
Or better yet, a reaver.
perfect little A to G target.
A reaver would literally just, a normal distance just air hammers the piss out of that and then just fucking whoop, any asshole that was on it is now dead.
I think this is supposed to be a vehicle cap.
I don't know why you would make a base literally right next to the fucking warp gate a vehicle capture base. Just seems rather fucking stupid to me.
Plus, it seems like that it's just gonna get even
Or,
more fucked.
Oh boy, the whole TR armor zerg is literally right there. Good thing it's right next to warp gate, so we can stop it super easy.
Alright, we're capping the base next to their warp gate. Oh, there's a bastion.
Unfortunately, there's no bastions on Osher.
Or they're not?
Nope, you can't spawn bastions on Osher.
Bro.
Oh, it's oh my god, it's way under here. And it doesn't
Yeah, it's
show
in the
it-
biolab.
It doesn't show in the map either. Oh yeah, this is gonna be top tier gameplay right here.
Dude, holy shit, dude. I'm gonna shit my fucking pants if I'm not gonna be a cloaker inside that seaweed.
You can't cloak underwater, sadly.
I don't have to cloak underwater. Just have to wear black camo. No, it's not a circle. There's no way to really angle the bow down. I guess that's something you could do. Fucking blasters looking like Hydro Thunder and a lot less like Planetside. I'm glad somebody else understands what I'm saying.
That game was fucking amazing, dude.
Yes, flip.
Hold on, no. Guess. I'm trying to drive over. He's stop moving. Okay, well now you're
Playing
just sliding.
fucking Frogger on Osher. The hell is this?
Fly away.
You can't go backwards.
Were you there for that, Trez, when I got the 15?
Yeah, I was there for that. What do you mean was I there for that? I was part of the crew that helped you unlock it.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm up with that.
Because I learned how to just park it on people.
Look at Shizaku.
The only difference with weapon arts for that weapon, for that game, is that they're attached to the weapons themselves, and you can't take them off and put them on other weapons. Which, I mean, it's not going to be that big of a deal for you, because you're just going to use the dagger anyway, which already has quick step.
Yeah. I don't know what I'd use. I ended up using the heavy thrusting for at the end of the game.
There's similar weapons in Dark Souls 3.
Never doesn't like that.
It's some weapons have like signature move sets. There's a lot to fight in
Oh yeah, I just want you to check in on my kitten mittens, by the way. Okay.
By the way, hunt these 17 monsters.
Oh yeah, and I want you to hunt the fucking,
Okay, I guess you just die. Goodbye.
Oh, shit.
Goodbye.
See you later.
How much health did you have? Was that full health?
It was almost full health. I clipped it in a way that.
The nose is not a. It is not fun.
All right, sorry. I think that's something that needs to be looked in. If my boat so much as touches something in some kind of way, I just fucking die. Wow. Oh. Jesus. I don't know why. Why are we making boats in a Planetside game?
All those toys, I swear.
Why are we making boats? You're telling me in the super advanced version of Earth we haven't figured out how to just traverse water?
See if you can ramp them up.
You haven't fucking figured out how to.
Well, that's a pretty
Figured out-
reliable way to flip it.
You haven't figured out water traversal? The Terran Republic has existed for 300 years.
So apparently if I go on to flip it off of Sunder, you die. If you flip off anything else, you're fine.